Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start here, power cycle the Series X to clear transient firmware issues. Hold the console Xbox button for 10 seconds until it shuts down, then wait 10 seconds and restart. While it boots, remove controller batteries or charge the controller above 20% to avoid low-power pairing errors. Make sure the controller is within 3 meters of the console and move phones, Wi-Fi extenders, or microwaves away. Interference often blocks the sync signal. Once done, press and hold the controller's sync button for a clear pairing attempt. Now execute the controlled sync sequence. Press the console sync button once and immediately press the controller sync button within 20 seconds. Hold the controller sync for about 3 seconds until the Xbox button flashes rapidly, indicating pairing mode. If the controller repeatedly fails, connect it with a USB-C cable to the console to force a wired recognition. Then check system devices and connections accessories to install controller firmware updates. Make sure the console is on the latest system update. Outdated OS can block wireless pairing. Finish by confirming the controller input. Move both thumbsticks and press a /B to verify a stable connection. Once connected, remove other wireless controllers or sync them one at a time to rule out address conflicts. If the controller still disconnects, reset your router or toggle console network settings to eliminate interference and try a different controller to isolate hardware faults. As a last resort, record the console serial and contact Xbox support. They can escalate firmware or hardware diagnostics if your sync button remains unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.